So this is Kiara's new room that I made for her. I'll take you in here and show you. It's got a little window, which is kind of cool because she loves to look outside and see people walking by. We've got stuffed animals up there on those shelves. Those I have screwed into the wall so that they stay there. Otherwise, these shelves would be empty all the time because she throws stuff off. But she's got plenty of other stuffed animals in here that she can play with that aren't screwed to the wall. She's got a little basket of toys down here and a mirror because she loves to look at herself. And there's her little PlayStation. She likes to move those balls through those wires on the top there. We've got this really long rope. I had taken her to a pet store a couple weeks back, and she fell in love with this thing. She was crawling up it while it was on its hook. So I went ahead and got it. So she can crawl up that. Same with that rope there. She'll be able to crawl up that thing. She likes to jump up on handles, so I put a handle on the wall. All kinds of cool stickers and stuff with animals, and I know these aren't geographically correct on here, but that's okay. I just put them where I had room. And there's some bells. She likes the bells. And then here is her cat tower that I put together for her. This is really cool. It's got a couple little cubbies that she can get into and have her own little privacy. There's another little cubby, and it's really soft, like velour type of soft. Oh, this right here, she loves this thing because it makes noises. So she'll jump on it and then get off, and then when it's done playing, she'll jump on it again. We've got some more bells up there. All these sticks I put here for her to crawl all over, and they are zip tied and screwed so they're not moving, they're not going anywhere, so she'll be safe. Got a couple little stuffed animals there, and there's a wire rope that she can climb up. A little blankie for her. And this thing right here is really cool. It's a little ottoman, but it has a little space in here where she can get in here. So I put one of her really soft blankets in there, and then a little toy. But she's going to love crawling in there. She can take a nap in there if she's not already taking a nap with me. Normally we take a nap together. But this is for if I'm gone or whatever. And another thing I like about this room is there's no plug-ins, so I don't have to worry about that. Worry about her hurting herself. Okay, so this is a surprise for her. She has not seen this. She has no idea I've been working on it. So I'm really excited to see how she reacts. So I'm going to go get her and bring her in here, and we'll see what she does. Here's Kiara. Want to go check it out? Look at all that stuff. And there's a window for you. You just don't know what to think about it, huh? Oh yeah, she loves to look outside. What are you doing? Come on. She's on my shoulder. She's not quite sure about this. You gotta get off. I can't film you like that. There you go. Look. You can climb that. No. Go check it out. She's like, I'm just gonna come up here at the window. your stuff. It's really hard to film you when you're on me. Back to the window. Come over here. Look, 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 look. Remember? Yeah. It's been a couple months since you played with that. Most everything in here is new. That little walker she's had for a while, but she hasn't played for it for a couple months. Yeah, Mommy's gonna have to cut those off. I had a feeling she's gonna try to put those little shells in her mouth. I have to cut those shells off. That little bell's okay, but it's got these little shells on there. So yeah, so we're going to have to cut those off. All right. I think it's going to take her a while to kind of get used to it. But like even the cat tower is new to her. Oh, she is going to love this, sitting up here looking out the window. What a good little monkey. Are you happy? You like your new room? Look, you can climb this rope over here. Look, do you remember this? Whoops. Do you remember this from the store? Look. She's like, oh, I want to look out the window. Kiara. Yeah. My little baby. Oh, I was hoping she was going to notice that she could get in that. But she has noticed this little one down here. You can go in there. Oh, you found the ball I put in there. She found it. You found the little place you can go into. Yeah, I'm not ready for that yet. Look at all this stuff in here for you to do. Oh, she found the all those sticks up there. Well, she's getting a little adventurous, checking it all out. She found her toy box. Most of the toys in there are new. I put a couple in there that she's already familiar with. Did you find a baby? She's like, hey, what all's in here? All kinds of stuff in there. Did you find another baby? Getting a little more adventurous now. I put her in there without me so that she would actually kind of venture out and see what all's in there. When I'm in there with her, she's just more concerned about being on my shoulder, which is fine. I love it. But I wanted her to kind of check everything out. Kiara! What a good girl. What a good little monkey. And what I did for this room was I took the real door off of it, and I kind of made this little cage thing, and it's not the prettiest, but it works. And it's really cool because, like, this part here, this top part, I just undo those, and then just this top part opens. And she's like, I'm gonna figure that out. You gonna figure that out, huh? So anyway, this is her new room. This is where she'll get to play when I'm gone, or if I'm doing something that she can't be out. Oh, she found the little cubby hole in there. Alrighty. That's our video.